Got it?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh.
Yeah. Close. Scaring it.
Freaking aluminum.
Oh, that's pretty. Mountain looks pretty.
I know, the mountain.
What are you going for?
The clay target.
Oh. Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Is it too easy? You gotta go back?
I know. Oh shit,
Yeah.
about to roll. That was awesome.
Oh, you're just showing off now.
That was rolling. I get some of the chewed up ones on the bottom right there. I'll leave the rest of those for you.
Now finish them off.
Okay. Full ones on the top.
Alright.
My shoulders.
Shit, man, I should be throwing those up in the air for you.
I know. Maybe we could do that. Try it out. Some skeet with an AK-47.
That's not bad shooting for as far away as you are.
I'm gonna hit your ringer.
Hitting those little targets.
Yeah,
Nice.
cool. Okay, up there. Ooh, that was a small one too.
Finish off those ones on the hill, man. Clean them up.
Got that one.
Yeah, he did. Must be the Russian in you. Oh, so sorry.
Jeez, that's awesome.
Like it a lot better now, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty much pinpoint. Don't miss anymore.